I used to think that building a visible brand was just about creating, promoting, putting yourself out there online, offline, challenging yourself. But I soon realized that building a visible brand and making your brand grow from a place of unseen to more noticeable was about tapping into communities in a new and different way, really. One experience I'll be sharing with you is how I reached out to a creative market to tap into the community in a new way. This is a community that I've been a part of or just utilizing their platform really since 2017, almost 10 years ago, when I was unemployed and figuring it out. That was the platform I was utilizing to create digital products and sell them. So when I saw the opportunity to just become an ambassador, getting some credits in order to share and create work that I already love in a new way and just exposing my work or making my work visible to their audience, I thought, why not tap into it? Mentioned that I have a ambassador partnership type of situation with Creative Market, and pretty much they gave me $100 US dollar credit for me to purchase some assets from their platform, and I'm going to use those assets to create some designs. Well, use the assets to create a design, and the design I'm going to create is a social media carousel promoting a speaker summit, right? So it's a speaker summit for businesses. So that's the concept. So in this video, you're gonna see me, sketch the design concept. I'm gonna choose the fonts and possibly images from creative market. So you're gonna this segment of the video is just behind the scenes. Is there an existing community? Is there a platform? Is there a brand that you use frequently or you're a part of, but you haven't tapped into that community? And that is one way you can make your brand more noticeable. Join this visibility roadmap series as I take you behind the scenes of some of the things that I have been doing to make my brand noticeable, not from a place of popularity or thousands of followers, but from a place of just showing up with courage, confidence, and clarity. And I'm going to be showing you some things that I did specifically as it relates to how I tapped into the creative market community to make my brand more noticeable. You're going to see me in the process of sketching out a concept before I start designing. I'm sharing with you what it really takes to borrow visibility from a community. And I'm not telling you to go and search out for a new community if that's not something you need to do, but really how you can show up in a community that already exists, a brand that you already love, a community you already love, and really it's just you showing up in a way that they have never seen you before, or maybe they don't even know about you or how you would normally position yourself. I have been designing, I have been sourcing the funds, the assets, and everything, and I'm feeling tired. So I feel like I'm gonna go for a walk. The sun is out, so I'm going to go outside, go for a walk, and then reconvene. While I was walking back, something came to me like, you don't have to pressure yourself to do everything now. You don't have to pressure yourself to complete everything now. And I literally, like, it was like a, not a haha moment, but almost like a nudge. Like, you're doing good. All morning you have just been working. That is me talking to myself. Like, all morning I've just been working on, you know, putting together the design. I'm doing this vlog and I'm also recording the video for the design, right? And one of the things that I sometimes struggle with is perfectionism. And the perfectionist in me is like, oh, I need to make it perfect, or I need to make it this, and and one of the things I find with perfectionism is sometimes you overcompensate. And really and truly, all that is required for me from this video is for me to design, show them the things I designed, how I selected the elements for the design, and to share it as a reel or as a photo, right? And that just, it's like I don't need to overwhelm myself with this process. I don't need to overwhelm myself with anything at all, but instead to do the work necessary and do my best and put my best foot forward. So I'm saying that all to say to you as well that you don't need to overwhelm yourself with anything. You can take your time and enjoy the process. Today, I have the video that I was just creating for the ambassadorship program with Creative Market. I'm finishing up the design for that and the video for that. A key lesson I learned from this experience is that visibility isn't about you just always doing it alone and pushing and forcing and, showing up. It sometimes means just relaxing into the community that already exists. This is something I personally know that I could really work on improving in just growing my brand and growing my business, not only to make it more noticeable, but to really serve and, meet and get new clients in my business. Through this space, I created work I love, using a platform I love, and tapping into a community that already exists. Not only did they get to see the work I could do, but they could see me doing the thing that I already love while also me promoting myself and my work. So it was more than just, oh, it's just another thing to do. I looked at it as, hey, I'm doing something fun. Only this time I'm collaborating and tapping into an existing community that can help my brand to get more noticeable and visible.